Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines. Today, we're looking at the Nixod portable washing machine and the DFJK JUU portable washing machine. Both are perfect for small living spaces like apartments and dorms, but they have some key differences that could influence your choice. Let's explore their features, capacities, and usability to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to capacity, the DFJK JUU portable washing machine offers a slightly larger capacity of 16 liters compared to the Nixod's 15 liters. This extra capacity can be beneficial for users who need to wash more items at once, making the DFJK JUU a better option for larger loads. Both machines are designed to be compact and foldable, making them ideal for small spaces. However, the DFJK JUU features a removable spin-dry basket, which adds convenience for users looking to efficiently dry their clothes. In contrast, the Nixod has an integrated spin basket, which may be less versatile, but still effective. The Nixod portable washing machine utilizes a touch control panel, providing a modern and intuitive user experience. On the other hand, the DFJK JUU employs a push-button control system, which some users may find simpler and more straightforward. Both systems have their merits, depending on user preference. In conclusion, both the Nixod and DFJK JUU portable washing machines offer great solutions for small laundry needs. The DFJK JUU has a slight edge with its larger capacity and removable spin basket, while the Nixod stands out with its touch control feature. We hope this comparison helped you in choosing the right portable washer for your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.